Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Gettransfer Drive app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's start with the review. The Gettransfer Drive app can be useful if you want a flexible way to earn money by driving. You can set your own schedule, pick up job in your areas and get paid for completed ride. For drivers who only want occasional work or a side gig, the app makes it easy to find clients without committing to a full-time schedule. The downside is the reliability. Many drivers report delay or missing payment, high service fee, and poor customer support when issues arise. Earning can be inconsistent, and the fee structure often cut out your profit. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you treat it as a flexible side hustle and you are prepared for potential hiccup with pays or support from the customer service. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.